Okay, this is your first opportunity to do a major pentatonic improvisation on Four Strong Winds, which is in the key of C. You okay?
I'm good.
Great, okay.
I got all my take in me.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, go. Good there in the fall. I've got some friends that I could go working for. Still I wish you'd change your mind if I ask you one more time. But we've been through this 100 times or strong winds that blow low, 7 seas that run high, all those things that don't change, come what may. If the good times are all gone, then I'm bound for moving on. I'll look for you if I get there before the snot flies, and if things are looking
you'd need me if I sent you down the fair.
But by then it would be winter, not too much for flu to do, and those winds can blow cold way out there. Four strong winds that blow low,
7 seas that run.
Don't watch the video, just listen to it.
All those things
That don't change.